episode of Rose and Gold. I'm your host, Black King Sebastian, and this is my devilish and lovely co-host, Dr. Ross.
Wagwan.
Tell me what affairs are happening in the Bible, Dr. Ross.
Cause we're not gonna be breathing out of both mouths.
Well, let's start preaching. Our first hot topic is none other than Kevin Hart. Kevin Hart was with his wife, and he took a few pictures of her, and they were talking about how she is 6 months pregnant.
Kevin Hart and his wife Aniko Parrish are expecting baby number 2. Kevin and Aniko have a lot to look forward to this year. Aniko makes the big announcement on Instagram. She posts this bump-revealing pic and includes a caption that references the coronavirus pandemic. She writes, "In the midst of all this, we're counting our blessings and couldn't be more grateful. Soon to be a family of 6.
He said, "We're getting real snappy over here." What are your thoughts about this, Black Sebastian?
Kevin Hart, with you having your 13th child, you need to stop because all you're doing, you're digging a ditch for yourself.
Exactly.
Because you need to take words from the Black Book. Preach.
Yeah, boy.
That's for you, Kevin Hart.
Tiger.
Playboy International. What's my favorite word?
Bitches.
But I'm not done yet.
Let's move on to our next hot topic for today.
So for our next hot topic, we have Tom Hanks. Tom Hanks was talking about, he said, "My ego has run rampant."
Saying in an interview this week with The Guardian, there's really only 3 things everyone needs to do. Wear a mask, social distance, wash your hands. I don't understand how anyone can put their foot down and say, I don't have to do my part.
Here they come.
Now fully recovered, the beloved actor is talking about a different kind of battle, this time on the big screen in the new World War II action film, Greyhound.
He was joking about his writing and producing, starring in the new film, Greyhound. What are your thoughts about this, Black Sebastian?
You know, Tom Hanks, you've been in a lot of war movies, and we can't wait for your latest and greatest film. It actually almost got canceled because when you had a run-in with the coronavirus. So we're glad that you and your wife have fully recovered and you're now back to making films and being in films.
Exactly.
We can't wait for your next film, Mr. Hanks. Let's move on to our next hot topic.
So we see Jason Derulo is riding it solo. He went and performed live, but here's the catcher. He did it without an audience, you know, for courtesy of the COVID-19. What are your thoughts about this, Black King Sebastian?
As you can see, Derulo, he's out there. He's doing a concert, probably doing it online as well. And he's doing what he has to do. He's doing what he wants to do as well.
Exactly.
And as you can see, we'll insert the photo right here. He is flaunting him. He's flaunting his body and he's showing what the girls want. So he's doing something that is 100% right for him.
Exactly. Give them what they want, give them what they need.
That's right, Dr. Ross. Let's move on to our next hot topic in the news.
Serena Williams. Serena Williams went out with her 2-year-old daughter, Olympia, and they were in matching outfits and apparently trying to teach her how to tennis. That's beautiful. That's all I want to say. That is beautiful right there. You both look amazing in your outfits. What are your thoughts about this, Black King Sebastian?
First of all, Dr. Ross, a 2-year-old is not going to be able to play tennis.
My eyes like with legs. Or is this a nigger telling me what to do?
I'm not
Exactly.
saying that there haven't been 2-year-olds that have played tennis before.
Yeah, I'm starting.
Hey, ready?
That we don't know about. But most likely that probably won't happen. And
Exactly.
Miss Serena Williams, we know you're doing this because I think a few years ago, Dr. Ross, she was just saying that no one told me that it's going to be this much work for a baby. I was not prepared for this. So she came back and she's getting sort of a comeback, she's now in the news and she's getting her groove on. She's trying to get back into the tennis world.
Exactly. After she got beat, it doesn't matter because she has a big fan base and we love you, Serena.
Now to that astonishing U.S. Open final. Serena Williams losing to Japan's Naomi Osaka following a coaching penalty, breaking her racket and arguing with the chair umpire.
Let's get into our next hot topic, and this is going to be our final hot topic. More on Charlize Theron. We've been talking about Charlize Theron a lot. That means she's been trying to keep herself in the hot topics. Charlize Theron talks about her role in Netflix called The Old Guard. She plays a warrior and is just kicking everyone's butt.
Who are you?
You can call me Andy.
Are you just an action pro? Do you just walk on these sets now? It's like, okay, this is how you do a punch.
The thing about these movies, they take a lot of work and you have to really kind of invest all of it to the discipline of, you know, training and physically getting ready for it. I wish you could just walk on and just do it with your eyes closed, but unfortunately, yeah, you have to go to the gym.
What are your thoughts about this Black King Sebastian?
Obviously, Charlize you know what, Dr. Ross? She probably made this film after she got rejected from the Mad Max.
As a little heartbreaking. She continued, quote, "It's a tough one to swallow. Listen, I fully respect George Miller, if not more so in the aftermath of making Fury Road with him.
Get the hell out! Get out! Get out! Get out!
Okay.
Get out! Get out!
He's a master and I wish him nothing but the best. Yeah, it's a little heartbreaking for sure. I really love that character and I'm so grateful that I had a small part in creating her. She will forever be someone I think of and reflect on fondly. Obviously, I would love to see that story continue, and if he feels that he has to go about it this way, then I trust him in that manner. We get so hung up on the smaller details that we forget the thing that we emotionally tap into has nothing to do with that minute thing that we're focusing on."
Exactly.
Because think about it. She just went from saying that to now being in a film where she's a warrior beating people up.
Exactly.
So obviously Charlize Theron, she heard our advice. She heard that we said you should make your own IP.
And she did it fast too.
That's right. Do something and make it your own. That's for you, Miss Theron. If you fix yourself up, who knows, you might be the next winner for the She's Hot contest. We'll put you in the ballot box. These were all of our hot topics for today, but let's get straight into Ask Dr. Ross.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Try!
Our first question is from Miss Jamila. So Jamila is asking you, Dr. Ross, should she either A, buy a first-class seat to LA on a plane, or should she B, buy 3 economy seats and use them all for herself and relax while she's eating peanuts?
First of all, thank you for the question as always. And 2,
Try!
that's smart, that's clever. Buy all 3 seats. I would go with B. Buy all seats and just relax, kick your feet up, eat some popcorn, and then get on your flight. Next question.
That's right. So Dr. Ross, this is our final question from Devin. Devin is asking, who do you think is the better artist, Erykah Badu or Jill Scott?
Well, first of all, I just want to say thank you for the question, and 2, I can't choose. They're both amazing artists, and they have different crafts in their nature, and their music is a little bit different, but they're both fantastic artists. I can't choose. On a side note, though, we do have to mention Nick Condero recently sadly passed away at 41
from
COVID-19, exactly. And John Travolta, his wife, Kelly Preston, passed away from complications with cancer. And these are very, very sad topics. It's sad hearing other actors or actresses and even an individual passing away. That is really sad. So our condolences and our hearts go out, and prayers go out to both families.
Oh my dear, please hold my hand. This is all I want, this is all I need.
Make sure to stay tuned for our new Teespring merch that is available, though. It is down in the link in the description below, as well as our Soundcloud and everything else we have posted up there. We'll catch you guys on the next installment of Rose and Gold. That's for you, Kylie Jenner. Keep shaking what your mama gave you.
Who are you?
My name is a pimp named Slickback, and I believe I may have misplaced some merchandise at this residence. There she is. Bitch, I hope you got the monies to cover this little vacation you've been taking.
Don't go on any cruises, anyone? We out.
Money over,